creatures as cool as can be. White tiger prowls where the snowflakes fall, silent and strong, the rarest of all. Black Panther moves in shadows tight, eyes like fire, gone in the night. Pink Axolotl with a smile so wide, living in water with gills on each side. Tiny spider with a dancing flare, colors explode as it leaps in the air. Pink dolphin swims in a river so wide, gliding through water with magical pride. Rare and wild, each one a gem. Nature made wonders, respect all of them.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.